Welcome to today's tech quiz. Let's see how well you know vintage gadgets. Put your answer score in the comments. Question 1. This PDA, released by Apple in the 90s. What is it called? Apple Newton. What is the name of this mobile phone, famous for its durability? Answer, Nokia 3310. This handheld console, released by Sega, what is it called? Sega Game Gear. What is the name of this portable computer, one of the first laptops ever made? Toshiba T1100. Great job if you got them right. Subscribe for more fun tech quizzes.